Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to place the dispenser lever actuator on this GE refrigerator. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get started. When the switch fails, it could cause the dispenser to run continuously or not to run at all. Also, over time, the lever may show some discoloration or wear, and you may want to replace it due to physical appearance. For this repair, unplug or disconnect power to the refrigerator. First, remove the two Phillips screws on the bottom of the user interface control assembly. Now, slide the control assembly down and then rotate out the right side. Be careful, as it's still connected by wires. Next, disconnect the three electrical connectors by depressing the locking tabs. Now, remove the wires secured in the ice funnel. Next, remove the water line from the ice funnel by pushing it up. Then, depress the locking tabs on each side of the ice funnel to remove it. You may need to pivot the ice funnel to do this. Carefully pry on the right locking tab on the dispenser lever while pivoting it. Then place your finger behind the other tab, compress it, and pull it towards you. Next, lift up and out on the lever to remove it. Be careful not to lose the spring, as it will need to be reused. If you have a bad dispenser actuator and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. As a reminder, the new part does not include the spring. You'll need to reuse this from the old one or order it separately if needed. To install the lever, start by aligning the tabs on the lever with the notches on the door. Then, rotate the lever, push at the top until one of the locking tabs snaps in place. Then, pivot to snap the other side back in place. Next, run the dispenser wire through the notch on the ice funnel, align the tabs, and push until it snaps back in place. Now, tuck the wire back into the ice funnel and reinstall the water line. Now, reconnect the electrical connectors by aligning them and pushing until they snap in place. Make sure the wires are out of the way. Then, place the control assembly against the door and slide it up to lock it back in place. Finally, reinstall the two Phillips screws. With everything put back together, plug the refrigerator back in and test it out to make sure that everything's working properly. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.